Welcome, today I am with JBL XTREME 3 and I will show you how you can move this speaker to the pairing mode. So as you can see, I'm currently in the Bluetooth settings on my private smartphone. I can refer to the list and my phone cannot find this speaker. So we have to enter the pairing mode. So how you can make it? Oh, sorry, that was a misclick. You have to turn on your speaker. As you can see, in my case, the device is turned on. And we have to tap once on this Bluetooth icon. Right now, when this Bluetooth icon is blinking, it means that we are in the pairing mode. And right now, our speaker appears on the available devices list. So when I click on it once, I will be able to pair with my phone. And as you can see, there it is. We are paired. That's how you can make it. It was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.